it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to do temperature readings for you guys on the Deco II Wood Stove by Drolet. This is an EPA wood stove. I like to give you guys temperature readings during the various stages of the burn so you guys kind of know what to expect for temperatures. I get questions like, if my kids touch the side panels, are they going to get burned? Some stoves yes, some stoves no. Also, stoves like, standard wood stoves, can I cook on the top of the stove? So I give you guys temperature readings so you can kind of gauge how you can use your wood stove to your benefit. I'm about 20 minutes into this overall burn. You can see that that kind of hot initial flame and that hot burn is kind of fading into a nice bed of coals. I'm going to give you guys some temperature readings. Directly over the top of the stove, we're reading 360 degrees. Left hand front corner, 250 degrees. Back corners, 200 degrees. Right hand corner is 280 degrees. Back corner here is sitting at 240 degrees. And let's see, side panel readings on the left hand side, 237 at the top. The firebox, the log storage is at 72 at the bottom, which is how you're able to store wood down here. On this side, 260 degrees on the top, 70 degrees at the bottom of the storage base, so that's why you're going to have those greater clearances of 15 inches on the side, because the side panels on this particular model are going to be a little bit hotter. I'll update you guys through the burn process with more temperature readings. Okay, I'm into my first burn. I am in my medium burn, which was basically 3 really small logs. Now I'm going to give you guys some temperature readings. Now keep in mind I'm breaking in the stove slowly, so this is not my hottest temperature. It's a medium burn, and I've been burning the stove about just over an hour now. So center cook plate here is 555 degrees. Front corner is at 430. Back corner is at 375. 444. Back right hand side is at 386. The air coming out of the back of the heat shield is sitting at a temperature of about 200 degrees right now. Top of the side panel, 409 degrees at the top. Log storage is at 98 now. And 464 at the top on this side. Bottom base is at 82 degrees. So these are going to be our medium temperature readings. We are about 3 hours into this first burn, and I want to give you guys the hot temperature readings on the stove. Center of the stove here is at 667 degrees. Front corner is at 540. Back corner is at 500. Right hand side of the stove is at 538. Back of the stove is at 462. Hot air coming out of this heat shield is about 288 degrees. Side panel on the stove, 540 degrees at the top. The base is reading 122. This side of the stove is going to be reading at the top 560 degrees. The base is 105 degrees. So these are going to be our hot temperature readings on the Drolet Deco II. I hope that you guys find these temperature overviews helpful. If you like my videos, please give them that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.